Welcome to Chapter 2 of our Zoambit tutorial series. In this lesson, we will show how to use the Smart AI Lens to recognize colors and respond with lights and sound effects using the Zoambit robot. To get started with coding, open the MakeCode editor, click on Extensions, search and add PlanetX. Then repeat the process to add the Zoambit extension. Once added, both extensions will appear in the Blocks panel and ready for use. How the code works. Set the AI lens to color recognition mode when it's ready. The microbit will display the message heart symbol. The headlights blinks 5 times when it detects the colors. When black is detected, the RGB LEDs turn off and low C tone is played. When blue is detected, the RGB LEDs turn blue and middle C tone is played. When green is detected, the RGB LED turn green and middle E tone is played. When yellow is detected, the RGB LED turn yellow and low F sharp tone is played. When red is detected, the RGB LED turn red and low E tone is played. Now, test your setup. Hold different color cards in front of the lens and the robot will respond with sound and lights. For more details and full step-by-step instructions, visit the complete tutorial page at Cytron.io.